So today's core day. So actually, I rarely do this for workout or for exercises. Kasi hindi ko alam. Minsan tinatamad talaga ako mag-core, and recently ko na lang siya ilan, yung core workout. So actually, today na lang ulit ako mag-train ng core after a few months ago. So syempre, need ko rin to as part of my accessories, and para din magkaroon ako ng stability and ma-enhance din yung core engage ko. Also for aesthetics, you know. So yeah, still kagaling ko lang dito sa school, and yeah, probably going to start now. So we're in the bulk right now, kaya parang nag-chubby ng face ko. So this is day 2 of tracking my powerlifting progress, my lifting progress. So yeah, let's go. I don't know if dragon flags ba to or what. Basta following exactly what I did for workout. So let's go. Yeah. Alright, so that one was pretty good. Alright, so first workout, actually hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Siguro dragon flags. 15 reps for 3 sets. So basically masakit siya sa core. So push. Alright, next is leg raise. So the 2 per workout na nauna is actually yung first, hindi ko alam if that is actually a dragon flag or what, but it's actually a pretty good workout for me personally. And then the second one is the cable crunches. So next is leg raise. So actually, hindi ko kasi makapag-fitness naman. So yeah, mano-mano na lang muna. Try today's core workout. So, yeah. Tapos na rin ako and nag-attend ako ng wrist strength grip, or actually I also train my forearm sa dead hangs. So, yeah. So the first one that I did is beginner's dragon flag. Yeah, yun na lang yung tinawag ko, dragon flag, and then the cable crunches, and then the leg raises, and then the dead hangs. Or actually I also add the weighted Russian twist. Yeah. Sobrang ingay, all back. So yeah, actually I'm going home na, and yeah, that's it. That's for today's workout.